you are slowly killing your chicken giving these feeds. Make sure, guys, you like down below. These feeds are going to kill all your chicken if you continue giving them these feeds. Just make sure you click down below. Click, like that video, guys. Okay, the first one is giving your chicken raw beans or dried beans. These raw beans, they have some toxins that will kill your chicken. Don't give your chicken raw beans. The raw beans can only be given to your chicken when they are well cooked. The second feed that you should not give to your chicken is hydroponics. And this one will be a very big topic and a very big debate on why you should not give hydroponics fodder to your chicken. The first thing, if you give hydroponic fodder that you have grown using sorghum, the red sorghum, it contains cyanide when it sprouts. That happened on my farm, and it gave me a very big loss on my farm. I gave the hydroponic fodder that I had grown using the sorghum on my farm, and it killed 13 chicken within 1 day. That really affected my flock, because when this red sorghum sprouts, it contains something known as cyanide, and that cyanide, when the chicken ingests it, it will kill the chicken instantly. That is the second way that you are killing your chicken without knowing, with the feed that you are giving it. The third thing is giving your chicken feed that contains molds. Feed that contains mold has something known as aflatoxin. The aflatoxins are so bad to the chicken, they are so poisonous to the chicken. Anything that is exposed to moisture and it has stayed in a darker room, it will develop that molds. And when your chicken is given the molds, it will have developed something, a heart disease, and also it can develop cancer. And that will cause your chicken to have certain deaths on your farm. When you try to analyze and diagnose the diseases, you won't be able to find any diseases. You just have certain deaths on your farm because you're giving your chicken feeds that has molds. And this can happen whereby you have these tomatoes in your kitchen, whereby they have stayed on the counter and you don't know if they are rotten or not rotten. Then you take them out and you give them direct to your chicken. You're killing your chicken giving them this feed. The fourth way that you're killing your chicken is by giving them avocado, the guacamole. Avocado can only be given the flesh part of it, but the seed and the outer peeling has something, a toxin known as persin. The persin will be able to cause heart problems, whereby your chicken the heart won't be able to pump its blood well, and this can lead to sudden death, whereby we can have a cardiac arrest in the chicken. So make sure, don't give your chicken the seed of the avocado, the guacamole, or give the avocado peeling to your chicken. Make sure you only give the flesh if you are giving it, but if it is well ripened, because the flesh part of it has iron, magnesium, the good parts of the minerals that is needed by the chicken. Yes, so we'll go to our fifth food that you are giving to your chicken, and you are killing your chicken slowly without you knowing that you are killing your chicken. The fifth way that you are killing your chicken is by giving your chicken the green tomatoes and green potatoes. The green potatoes and green tomatoes have something known as solanine. The solanine toxin can be able to kill your chicken instantly without you knowing what it has done to your chicken. So guys, make sure if you are giving anything to your chicken, make sure you only give the ripe tomatoes to your chicken, and for the potatoes, don't give the potato peelings to your chicken, because it has any nutritional value to your chicken. So guys, make sure you take those things into consideration. Like down the video below, like. So guys, that is the 5 foods that you're giving to your chicken and they are killing your chicken. Make sure you avoid those foods that I've mentioned here. I'll post a very well comprehensive video of the 5 feeds that you should give to your chicken for a proper growth and production on your farm. Make sure you like that video down there, man. Right, like. This video is sponsored by Henchick Poultry Farm. Henchick Poultry Farm is one of the best poultry farms that is found in Kenya, and it has sponsored this video. It usually deals with the sale of incubators. It usually deals with the sale of chicken cages. We usually sell day-old chicks at only $1, that is 100 Kenyan shillings. We have incubators from 64 eggs up to 56 eggs. Even we can have up to 5,000 if you are in need. You can get it on order. We also do installation of the incubators and the installation of the cages. Guys, we also sell brooded chicks and mature chicken for meat at 3 months old. Guys, what are you waiting for? Order day-old chicks from Henchick Poultry Farm. We are located in Bungoma, but we do countrywide deliveries. Our contacts are 0790-122-478. Our contacts are 0790-122-478. Premium chicken, Henchick Poultry Farm.